Oh, look at that. That looks good. Oh, this one is stuck. Opposite. Opening from the wrong side, but it's okay.
Kind of.
It's all good. Now, my wife's favorite sauce. It's gotta be spicy. What's in here, babe?
Tomato, cilantro, onion, Thai pepper, a dash of lime, lemon, and fish sauce.
You're making me hungry already. So here we go. Ooh, this is fresh off the grill. My mouth is watering already. Yeah, here we go. Look at that. All right. You guys should try this. This is good. It's like, look at all that juicy stuff. It just melts in your mouth. Look at that. Can't get any better than that. Straight off the grill. Y'all better stop it because I got finishes. Yeah, thank you. Bye.